What's going on, you guys? Thank you so much for joining me back on my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. Today I'm going to be going over something that I always was kind of interested in. I never really knew the answer, and I just recently found out the answer, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So I was looking through the owner's manual of the 350Z and found that chapter 5, section 14, or maybe it's, yeah, I think it's section 5, page 14. It actually tells you exactly when you should shift for fast acceleration and like slow acceleration for the best MPGs on both sides. So I'm going to explain a little bit about it right now because I wasn't actually sure. So it says for the suggested upshift speeds, shown below are vehicle's suggested speeds for shifting into the higher gear. It says the suggestions are related to fuel economy and vehicle performance. Actual upshift speeds may vary according to road conditions, the weather, and stuff like that. So basically it says right here, for normal acceleration, so I'm assuming that's like casual, slow, daily, like casual acceleration in a low altitude area of less than 4,000 feet. So if you're going from first to second gear, you want to be going 8 miles an hour or 13 kilometers an hour. So shifting from first to second, 8 miles an hour. Personally, I think I'm going like 20. Now that I think about it, I don't actually know how fast I usually shift. I'm gonna have to like pay attention next time I drive and like really notice, but I think it's a lot faster than that. I think I usually shift it like maybe like 15 for first, but from second to third, you wanna be going 16 miles an hour. From third to fourth, you wanna be going 25 miles an hour. From fourth to fifth, 30 miles an hour, and then fifth to sixth, only 33 miles an hour. So those are like for optimal fuel economy, accelerating like super slow and casual. That's the speed you want to be going to save the most money, basically. All right, guys, so we're out here in the 350Z right now. I got the numbers right here. I'm basically gonna go through the gears as it says right here. I honestly feel like my car's gonna bog a little bit because for some reason I feel like this is just really low, but maybe it's right. I mean, maybe the automatic, if you own an automatic 350Z, let me know down in the comments if these are like similar to what yours does when you just like let it automatically shift. For normal acceleration in low altitudes, I'm at about 1,100 feet here. I'm gonna put it up on the screen right here so you guys know. So 8, 16, 25, 30, and 33. I have a digital readout right here, so. Oh my God, that was way too much already. I gotta do it again. Boom, 8. Is this even possible? 16. Okay. 20, 25, 30, and 33. I mean, it was close. I guess that makes sense. It's kind of weird. Like, let's go back to 33 miles an hour. Oh my God, you hear that? This sounds like it's bogging the engine a little bit. So now I'm gonna find a place to stop right here, and I'm gonna do the little bit faster acceleration because it'll probably be a little easier on just the engine in general. So okay, let's get it. That's for like slow normal acceleration. I think like 33 miles an hour to go from fifth to sixth is really slow. I always feel like I'm bogging the engine down a little bit, but I guess if that's what the owner's manual says, it must be right, you know? I mean, we can all pretty much guarantee none of us are shifting our 350Zs at 33 miles an hour, fifth to sixth especially. Maybe like second to third, maybe. But so it says right here, like I was saying, for the quick acceleration over 4,000 feet in elevation. So for gear changes, first to second, you want to be going 15 miles an hour. For second to third, you want to be going 25 miles an hour. Third to fourth, 40 miles an hour. Fourth to fifth, you want to go 45 miles an hour. And then fifth to sixth shift optimally is 50 miles an hour. So, okay, so we got 15, 25, 40, 45, and 50. 15, that was like 13, 15, 25, 40, 45, and then 50. That's normal. I'd say that's normal. That's probably about where it should be. The quick acceleration. What do you guys think? How do you guys drive your 350Zs? You know, to be honest, I'm probably never driving like that. Anyways, that's basically it. I really honestly didn't know that information about the 350Z. So now you know. If you didn't know, you can tell people, you know, like if they're asking like, geez, my gas mileage is so bad, what do I do? Now you know what to tell them when how they can fix their gas mileage. So I think that's pretty cool. If you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up and drop a comment down below if you have any questions or comments. I'll reply to everybody. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, I would really appreciate it if you would. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of quarantine, and I need your assistance to do that. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. probably get my first gear to like 25, maybe more. 35. According to that, you know, I'm shifting into fifth at like 80. You definitely am not saving fuel. That's definitely not good for the fuel economy. But, you know, man, it sure is nice out here in Mexico today.